Here's a quick video to show you how to clean your oven. If you cook on it often, you're going to get a lot of grease that gets onto this thing and it's really hard to get up. I'm going to show you how to do it. You need this right here. This is a gas range cleaner. It's going to take care of all that grease, get it all off of there. I'll put a link below in the description for this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take these grates off. We're going to take them and place them over in the sink. All right, now we got to clean the inside of this thing out. But before I do so, these come off as well. I'm going to take them over and put them in the sink with the grates. Now I'm going to take this Weiman Degreaser and I'm going to spray it directly on the grates that I put down here into the sink. Also the little burner covers I'll get as well. And we're just going to let that set on it for a little bit while we clean up the grill. All right, next I'm going to take these pieces right out as well. And now we can get up all this gunk that's on the top of the oven. And we're just going to spray all over the top. We're going to let it set after we do it for about a minute. I'm going to go ahead and pop these straight out. These are the knobs that turn the gas on. And I can spray this degreaser on the front of it too, where we see some of the spillover come in. And again, we're going to let this set here for about a minute. All right, now that it's had a little time to work itself into that grease, I'm just going to take a paper towel and we're going to wipe the whole thing up. I'm going to take a damp cloth and I'm going to wipe all the excess that I wasn't able to get up with the paper towel. All right, now that these grates have been sitting in here for a little bit with the degreaser on them, I'm just going to take this tool right here. It's a little scrubber specifically made for these kind of grates. Put a link below in the description for this. I'm just going to take it and work the grates with it. I'm also going to do the burner covers as well. I'm going to finish it off by taking the faucet here, spraying it all down and getting that stuff off of there. Now we're going to dry these up and then we're going to put the whole thing back together. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.